Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we do get to look at the November Ipsy GlamBag Plus bag. But before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment on my last video, which was my No Make, No Life November theme revealed. Congratulations, Stephanie Poindexter. Stephanie says, thank you for the spoilers. Well, Stephanie, thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos, and I love you so, so much. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, make sure you leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now, stay tuned till the end, guys, when I read the comment that I did pick from that video. Alright, guys, so let's go ahead and just jump in. Now, here is the November GlamBag Plus bag. Now, I'm assuming it's going to be like this month. There is going to be the same inspiration for all the bags, but there might be different bags for like the Plus and the Ultimate and the Standard. And another thing I like to do when on doing bag reveals is I like to compare them to the bags from the same month last year. And I know this is the Plus bag, but I still like to compare it. And whenever they come out with the Ipsy November Standard bag, I want to do the same thing. But this is just a little reminder of what the bag last year looked like. And I like to hear y'all's opinions on the bags. Did they do better this year? Do you like the bag last year better? Which one do y'all think? And I know, again, this is the Plus bag, but again, it's going to be the same inspiration, I am assuming. But anyways, that's it. That's all I wanted to show y'all. And as soon as they reveal anything else, you know I'm going to keep you updated. I always keep y'all in the loop. And as always, Ipsy is linked below if you want to go check him out. Now, guys, let's read the comment that I picked from my last video. Congratulations, Paula McClements. I think that's how you say that. Paula, don't you come after me. You know I can't pronounce nothing. Paula says, thank you for the spoiler. You are just so sweet. Oh, well, thank you so much, Paula. You just made me blush. And I really appreciate you taking the time to watch and comment on my videos. And I love you so, so much. And again, guys, y'all got to leave a comment if you want to get a shout out. And guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking my likes, my subscribers, my comments. They're taking it all. They're just trying to ruin my life. That's what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribed. And if you're not, then why the hell not? Just leave a comment down below why you're not subscribed. I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you, and it's rude not to accept a gift. So you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that subscribe button. And then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video. But y'all only have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. They refuse to fix anything. I mean, really, it just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. And then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out this video. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set on. That way you don't miss another spoiler. You don't miss no more of my videos. You'll be on top of everything. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so, so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.